OMG. Ooh, girl, sit. Don't be singing. What's up, Team T, baby? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I'm doing good. You guys better be singing that when we're doing the intro, not the entree, because I'm starving. I'm thinking about food. So as you can tell from the title, okay, so a lot of you guys have been asking me, what do you eat? What do you eat? What do you eat? Well, what do you eat? Because that is the most important part of the pyramid of fitness, and nutrition is major key. Major key. So, I didn't film the breakfast that I have every single day, literally every single day, because I'm obsessed with it, but I have the recipe all over the tube on my channel, so I will link below the recipe again. If you guys in the next what I eat in a day really want to see me post it in the morning, my little routine of, like, I guess everything and how I make it again, just to, like, remind you or put it there, then let me know in the comments or whatever, and I will do it again. But I literally had my pancakes this morning. They're so good. The tea baby cakes are on another level. No one will ever top them, I'm sorry, but they're just so good. So I wake up and I had my tea baby cakes. I made them chocolate style with peanut butter. So good. Stay thick. That's how you get thick. So I had that, and then I went to the gym, as you can see from this little clip here. I went to the gym, so check out the last video I posted from just a few of the workouts that I did if you didn't see that video. And then after the gym, I had this shake. Now this shake is super easy. Sometimes I switch it up. So this time I usually put spinach, and I put some of my Women's Best, the absolute best tasting protein, vegan plant-based protein I've ever had. Honestly, I just ordered some chocolate, but this is the vanilla, and I add some ice, I add some water, I add some almond milk, and then yeah, I blend it up. Oh, and I add some of this goji berry powder, so that is so delicious. It makes it taste like a strawberry vanilla milkshake in your mouth. So don't be intimidated by the word of Women's Best just because the brand's called that. Actually, my guy friends order it and they absolutely love it, and their gains are looking nice. So anyways, I had this shake, and now I got some work done and I got ready. As you can tell, my hair is a little bit of a mess because I've been doing things, but hopefully it still looks cute for this video. Okay, anyways, focus. So now it's lunchtime and I am hangry. Now, if you've never heard of the word hangry, I could be the definition of it many times. So I'm sure you guys know what hangry is. Guys, if you have a girlfriend out there, don't ever let her get hangry. Don't let her get that past that point. There's like a line right there, the hanger line. Don't do it. Don't do it. So anyways, I'm hangry right now and I have no idea what I want, which is even 2 times worse. Hanger, and I have no idea what sounds good. I'm kind of thinking of an acai bowl, because it keeps me nice and plump. It has granola, it has berries, I put almond butter, I put cacao nibs, but I am not making this acai bowl. I go to Down to Earth here in Hawaii and I get one because my girl there hooks it up every time. I literally don't even have to tell her, this is kind of bad, what I want, because I go there so much. So she knows exactly what to put on to make your girl nice and thick. So I'm thinking about that just because it's hump day, and I'm thinking it's a lot of calories that I'm going to push right down there to my girlfriend downstairs. So I might do that, but then I need to go grocery shopping. So that's the reason why. Usually during the week I'm always cooking my breakfast, my snacks, my lunch, my dinner, my desserts every day. But I do need to go to the store. Just the way the week panned out, I kind of am low on groceries right now, and I have things that aren't looking so tasty and hot. So it's like rice and spinach and kale and avocado. I mean, that's good, but I like flavor, and I ran out of garlic. Which one? Onion, I have a little bit. So anyways, I think I might go get an acai bowl. So I'm gonna probably switch to my GoPro and take you guys with me, so I don't have to lug this big camera around, and show you what's inside this acai bowl. And then I'm probably gonna go to the grocery store, then I gotta come back and I gotta do a lot of work, and then later I will show you what I eat for dinner. So anyways, I still don't know what I'm gonna have for lunch. I might have this acai bowl, but if I do, you will see. Yeah, so you'll see my lunch soon, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm starving. Oh yes, girl, can we just peep this cute little fit though? Okay. As you saw, my deliciously large Marge acai bowl. My girl was there again today, and she always hooks it up, but oh my god, she made it so big today. I ended up staying at Down to Earth and eating, which I don't like to do this because then they have this whole, it's all vegan, vegetarian, but mostly vegan. They have this whole vegan like salad bar and like bakery cookies that they make every day, and donuts, all this crazy stuff if you see me post it. And I fell in because I stayed there for a while to work on my computer. So this is honest what I eat in a day. So yeah, I was already snacking on my way home, but your girl got a huge vegan chocolate chip cookie. So I started eating it, and I got this sweet tooth every day, you guys. Well, and I'm on my period, so yeah. TMI, but that is definitely where the sweet tooth comes from, heavy right now. So I usually always have something sweet before bed, but it is kind of late in the day, so depending on how much of this I eat, I don't know what I'm gonna make for dinner. But anyways, I'll show you and I'll see you all. Midday pick me up. I mixed almond milk with some coffee from this morning, with stevia and some of this Lara Superfood creamer. I blend it up and heat it up, and it picks me up. Yes. Okay, so for dinner. Ooh, hunty. Let's get some lights up in this beach. He said, let there be light. And there was light. Okay, guys, so to be 100% honest with you, I was supposed to go to the store after my acai bowl and working on the computer, but to be honest, I was too lazy to go to the store. So I was like, alright, I'm gonna have to do what I have here. With what I have here. So I have a bunch of avocados. So you can never get enough avocado. So I'm gonna have avocado with kale and spinach, onion, some tempeh I'm going to cook with some ginger and some spicy sriracha, coconut sriracha. And then I have water boiling here for some bonza rice made from chickpeas. This rice is so good and high in protein. So basically, yeah, I'm getting all the gains still. I'm not worried about that. And I still have some of my cookie because I was really full. That acai bowl was huge. So rice, tempeh, veggies, fats, spices. Yes. Anyways, so what I did was I'm putting 6 cups of water here to boil, which seems like a little bit much for this small bag of rice. It says bring 6 cups of water to rolling boil, which I know how to cook rice because I eat rice every day. But I don't know if this bean rice is different. I made it once before and it came out good, but I don't remember doing 6 cups of water. It seems like a lot. Anyway, so that's boiling, and we're gonna just go with the flip. So while that's cooking, good looking, we're gonna turn on our pan. Yes. If you guys want me to make a video on how to get thick let me know. If you guys want to know what more of what I eat, like I said, I'll do more of these videos, but you just gotta give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below so I know that you like to know what I eat. Today was a little bit off. Like I said, I usually cook all my meals. That acai bowl was, you know, very good, but thrown in there. The avocado is great for the slim thickness. So I'm gonna cut some onion. I'm gonna make a really simple meal because I still have work to do. You girls tired, but I still gonna show you all the games. I'm gonna cube this tempeh, cut this up, saute. I cut up my tempeh in these cubes, and I'm gonna put them back in here because I'm gonna mix it together with some onions and some liquid aminos. And we're gonna do this the lazy bougie way. Good ingredients, fast cooking. Some crushed pepper. Oh, my pan is going off. Some paprika. Some of my coconut sriracha. Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. Oh. Here's an easy tip for you to stir things up. Okay. Let's close. Thank you. Spray the pan. Oh, so like I told you earlier, I didn't go to the store and I was out of garlic, so we're just doing onion. And ginger. Whoa. Cálmate. And I got my nooch. Add the tempeh. Oh. Yes. I don't know why I always do this because I have a zillion, cajillion spatulas and I always use a fork. It's probably not good for the pan either, but this is bougie cooking 101. Usually when you cook rice, I should have read directions. That's why it's 6 cups of water, because you drain it. So usually when you cook rice, like when I cook my sushi rice, my jasmine rice, I use the good water because you cook it until the water all evaporates. And this one says drain using a strainer. Well, yeah, that makes sense. So 11 grams of protein per serving. I'll take it. Kale. Oh, kale! And we'll add spinach in just a moment. Some nooch. Aminos. Who do I think I am? I don't know, but I'm not Salt Bay. Spinach. Let's see what the chili pepper. A little bit more ginger. cooked all the meals that I cook for you guys, I would have a freaking lifetime supply of recipes, but half the time I am so okay with lunchtime eating the same thing because I'm in a hurry, or I'm filming, or I'm this, or I'm that. So that's why. But you know what? If you truly, you guys like these videos, because they literally take all day, literally, like I mean it's dinner time and I still won't eat another snack probably, you gotta let me know, because they take a lot more time and work and editing and effort. So I love to do it, and I used to do it a lot more, but I just need to know from you guys. So make me burn. Burn, baby, burn. Time to strain the rice. Be very careful, my friends. Oh. Bean inflation. I like to add some paprika. Nuge. Okay. This is super simple, you guys. Really quick and easy, but so good. I'll probably eat another plate after this. I just want to show you a pretty picture. You know, so we got the rice, the tempeh, avocado, bean pasta, and the kale. I put like freaking half the bag with the spinach. But you know when you cook kale and it shrinks down to nothing? So annoying, but it's so good. I didn't even need garlic, which is really weird for me to say, but this is so good, you guys. Just little quick simple dinner, because I still have things to do and I'm not like really craving too much different things, so I decided to put this together, and I didn't go to the store. But anyways, probably gonna end up eating that cookie after this. So just to wrap up this video, this long day I've had, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, remember to give it a thumbs up so I know, and comment below. Yeah, I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.